I'm Maile Collmer. I'm a business consultant. I specialize in business development through relationships. I'm making Marco feel more comfortable because I messed up. And I have today with me Marco Grelli, and he is one of my private coaching clients. He is with Lincoln Financial Advisors, and he really helps those high net worth individuals, those large business owners, CEOs, really with their financial concerns and things like that. And it's really important for him to have some accountability and stay on track. So I thought I would invite him here to share a little bit about his experience. So Marco, what was important to you about hiring a business coach for your business?
You know, I think my most concerning is that I'm going 100 miles an hour. I need someone just to rein me in a little bit. So what Maile helped me do is kind of put together a game plan, especially around calendaring. We worked on, she's really keeps my feet to the fire. She keeps me accountable. One thing I really wanted to focus on is my calendaring and making sure that everything that I'm doing each hour has a specific task, and that's what we're doing. And it's really, we've been working together for a month now. I can already see some improvements in my calendar and making more appointments. So every time I meet with her, it's also just nice to kind of vent to someone other than your coworkers. So it's nice to talk things through and have someone to be a great coach.
Yeah, and I think we also worked on a little bit of productivity, switching things in the calendar, so you're doing things where it's a little bit more productive for you, and getting those calls done. I mean, I think you're in it to win it.
I think as a business owner or myself, as a financial planner, you go 100 miles an hour, but it's really important that you stay focused, and I think that's what the coaching allows me to do, to focus on my calendar and what's important, and to drive revenue activity on my calendar.
Yeah, and we even started to get into those relationships and how you can move certain relationships forward. Have you done any? I'll keep you accountable right now.
No.
Have you done anything about moving those relationships forward that we talked about?
One of them I have. A very small step, because I was out last week,
right.
So I didn't have a full week, but I did one little task. Oh no, I'm going to go back into the office and do my little task. But I have my four big items that I want to get off my to-do list, and there's some things that I need to just little by little take little tasks into these big tasks to break them down. So, and Maile's been really great to helping me out and doing that.
Great. Well, we just wanted to share a little bit about the coaching experience, and if anyone's thinking about maybe doing some coaching with me, what advice would you give them, or what would you tell them?
I would tell them it's not only someone that will keep you accountable, but she's really fun to work with. It's great partnership as well. I think I learned a little bit about you as much as you learn about me, and it's really just holding myself accountable, and that's what coaching is all about. Is you say you'll do stuff, and then all of a sudden you got someone calling you, "Hey, did you do that?" "Oh, yes, I'll be right back." So that's the biggest improvement for me working with you.
Awesome. So I'm Maile Collmer. I love helping people be more successful in their businesses. My success is your success.
Thank you.
Have a great day.